Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get your YouTube API key for free and easily. Now the first thing that you're going to do is go to Google Cloud Console API. And now once you have clicked on that, you will open Google Cloud APIs and then you will find yourself here in the console. So you will have to click on APIs and services, and then in the enabled APIs and services you will have to search for YouTube. So I'll write it again, YouTube, and then here you will find three APIs, either the YouTube Data API or YouTube Analytics API or YouTube Reporting API. So just choose the one that fits you the best. Here, for example, I will choose YouTube Data API, and then I will click on Enable. Now wait for it a few seconds to load, and that's it. Now your API is already connected to your Google Cloud Console on your project. So that's it, that's how you get your API key for YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.